keep it in one place. That's 20 quid. Gosh, it's gone up the drill. Boom. People complain about people that smoke, but it's just, I'm quite happy to spend 20 quid on something that's going to explode in 5 seconds.
I didn't get that one.
It might be a good idea to look over there. That one's relatively close. Wait for that one. Right, come on. I think you should get back inside because you're not wearing a jacket. Come on, and you're shaking like a leaf. You can't zoom when you're doing video.
You can. I just zoomed in.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, mine doesn't do that. You got a better phone than me. Right, come on, mister. Please, Matthew, before your mum tells me off as well. There you go. Closer ones. Right, that way, come on then, indoors.